Hello, welcome to the iMobie channel. In this video, we'll show you how to use FocuSee's Spotlight feature. Once you finish recording or uploading your video, you'll enter the editing interface. In the bottom left corner of the overview panel, you'll find the Spotlight feature. Simply click to add it. A spotlight will automatically appear on the timeline. Play your video to locate the moment where you want the spotlight to appear. Then pause the playback. Drag the spotlight on the timeline to the desired position. In the preview window, you can adjust its size and shape by dragging its edges and corners. On the left side of the interface, you can fine-tune the spotlight's corner curvature, mask opacity, and feathering using the sliders. If the default duration is too short or too long, you can simply drag the edges of the spotlight clip on the spotlight track to adjust its length. If you want to add multiple spotlights throughout your video, you can move to the next section where you need one, pause the video, and click on the corresponding point on the spotlight track. Then, a new spotlight will be added automatically, and you can customize it just like before. If you want all spotlight effects to share the same settings, simply click Apply to all spotlights on the left panel. Here's a final preview of the effect.
Welcome to DroidKit. If your device is locked by a Google account, DroidKit may help you bypass the FRP lock. Currently, DroidKit supports bypassing FRP on Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Oppo, Vivo, Sony, Realme, Motorola, and many other Android devices running Android OS 6.2.50.